Good morning, this is Paul from Clincard. I'm just doing a quick video walk around of the Lusso. Now it's just arrived, it only had a wash and a hoover, so it's not had a full valet or anything like that, but that's due to happen later on this week. So yes, just going to show you a walk around. So the paintwork all round is rather good. It had a protective film over it, so in terms of chips and what have you, very few indeed. So I'm not going to say there aren't any, because every car will pick up some, but it's had a film over it which has been taken off, and the previous owner took it off because he liked polishing. I'm just going to look, you can see the left hand front wheel, nice condition. Tyres nearly new. You've got those big ceramic brakes with the yellow calipers. You've got the rather nice carbon grills for the side air intakes, and you've got more carbon in the side sills. I'm just going to run my camera down the side of the car so you can see that all the panels and the paintwork is really nice, because the reflection is like a mirror. So nothing nasty and scary there. It's just looking lovely. They do look good in black, and you can see the left hand rear wheel, it's excellent. Tyres very good. Coming around to the rear splitter, all in nice condition as you can see. Just going to pop to show you the car cover, and the boot is all in lovely condition. Wait for my camera to wake up. Come on, there we go. It's because it's dark in there, that's all. Now if it'll just focus, there we go. You can see that's the plaque on the back which gives you the factory specification. That's the button that closes the lid. Got a nice tricolor flag on the back. They look really cool from the back, these. Very blokey car. So going down the right hand side of the car, just looking at this paintwork, which is really nice all the way around. Another very good tyre. Nice condition wheel. Running my camera down the side of the car, again you can see carbon still on this side, but a nice uninterrupted panel gaps, no nasty pin dents and bits and pieces at all that you can see. Front wheel, again like new. Nice mirror finish on the bonnet, as you can see, all the way down. It's just really nice. So glass roof. This has got the panoramic roof. Open the door, and you can see you've got the Nero leather Alcantara with the nice yellow contrast stitching, which ties the inside and the outside together, because you've got the yellow scooter rear shields and the yellow brake calipers. So more of that nice carbon here, as you can see. High power hi-fi. It's going to move to the door sill covers. So as well as the side sills, you've got the kickers also in carbon fibre, and then the dash panels in carbon fibre, and the steering wheel in carbon fibre with the LED gear change lights. The seats, again a mixture of black leather and Alcantara. Of course the Alcantara, as well as being nice and soft, it's cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and it's light. And as you can see, it all ties in with the back as well. All very nice condition. All the carpets are good. The centre console's all lovely. There's the rear air conditioning in the back. Oh, and you can see there, you've got the iPad holders. So if you do have little ones in the back, you can entertain them easily. So if I just turn the ignition on, you can see more of this nice carbon fibre on the central bridge, and on the passenger, just turn that down. Promise not to do that while I'm driving. A nice and easy to use navigation, radio, phone system. And then you can see here, you've got this passenger display, which is rather cool as well. Again, all in carbon fibre, all in black with the yellow contrast stitching, and then you've got more of this lovely Alcantara. So really nice all the way around. You've got your USBs in there, your tracker cards, 2 keys, cup holders, and it sounds amazing. So 10261 miles currently showing. I've got 10,500 on their website. I should just amend that. As you can hear, it sounds amazing. So you've got suspension lifter. I'll turn the ignition back on, but not the engine because it's still on cold cycle. So surround camera, which shows you that, and of course it shows you the rear view when you're reversing. Suspension lifter, that turns your front and rear parking sensors off. And of course you've got your Manatino switch, different modes, ice, wet, comfort, sport, and traction control off. Of course it's a four-wheel drive car, so it's going to take quite a lot to break it away, but it also has a V12, which will give you lots of help to break it away. So you can see the carbon fibre panels there with down and up. That gives you gear change lights. You've also got buttons behind the steering wheel. You've got your lights on here as well, and your Mag-A-Ride suspension button, start stop, phone, intermittent wipers and indicators, all on the steering wheel. So although at first glance it looks complicated, you get used to it very, very easily and very quickly. Automatic dimming interior mirror, and of course that lovely glass roof. Just turn it off. So yeah, all in all, rather nice. Very comfortable to drive, lots of grip, very quick, 'cause it's got the V12 in it. Just a lovely